we are checking out the Hydration Multiplier by Liquid IV. Kind of excited because I do tend to sweat, lose a lot of those really essential salts and electrolytes that we need for our daily lives, really. And this thing is supposed to help with that hydration. Look at this little cute little packet, single portion. So that's really nice. A little single serve. You put that in your pocket, in your gym bag, and your purse, what have you. It will fit pretty much anywhere. And it's a really nice taste, apparently, and we are going to test that out. This one here is the lemon lime. And they say to add 16 ounces of water with this powder, so let's do that right now. There's my water, and this is how much comes out. Let's give it a little stir so it kind of blends in. Perfect. Few seconds and done. You could also do that with a spoon, of course. Let's do the taste test. Does smell very lemony and limey, which is a plus. Ooh, very nice, very refreshing. And the one thing to kind of like tell right away is that it does have that sodium, that saltiness, because as you sweat, as you go through your day, your body will sweat and you will lose that sodium. That's essential for your daily lives, right? So packed with vitamin C, vitamin B, and a fair amount of sodium. So if you are feeling under the weather, this will make you feel absolutely better. It does me. If ever I have a bad night's sleep, or if I feel a little under the weather, I've got, I'm a little sick or sniffling, boom, a little bit of hydration just like that. And it tastes fantastic, actually, which is also a plus. It is gluten-free. It is soy-free. They are non-GMO. I mean, this thing is a no-brainer. I highly recommend the Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. This is the 16 pack and it's lemon and lime.